Cook up amazing meals with this Beko electric range cooker with a ceramic hob. It has incredible features to help you achieve effortless results. The electric fan oven has a B energy rating and a large 112-litre capacity, so there's loads of cooking space if you like to host dinner parties. There are 5 zones on the hob, ranging from 4 different sizes. This means there's plenty of flexibility when cooking. The hob also has a ceramic finish, which makes it really easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down, meaning you'll spend less time cleaning and more time cooking amazing food. This model's electric fan oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This oven also features a handy grill setting, which will give those lasagnas the perfect crispy topping. So, you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes together while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you want an electric range cooker with a ceramic hob that has incredible features to help you achieve effortless results, this model from Beko is an excellent choice.